I fired my brand new Meat Slinger 36 hybrid up. Hybrid meaning it's a pellet smoker and an offset firebox. There it is. Got home from work, fired this thing up at about 5:45, 5:50. Went to my son's 6:15 football game at the high school, and it is now close to 8 o'clock. I'm back, and I had it set on the mid, which is 270 preset. It's at 268 right now, so it's bouncing around at 270 that it's supposed to do. And it's the temp, guys, and it's been running since I left at 5:30, 5:45, and it did get the temp. And there's my baby. I'll back it up where you can see it. Again, my new Meat Slinger for my house and for my catering. Back out here checking my Meat Slinger hybrid. Got it set at 300, and it is at 300. That's what it's supposed to do, bounce around at 300. When I say bouncing around, I mean plus or minus 10 degrees, give or take. Actually, it's been going 292, 294, and you can see now it's kind of going. Get over closer. It stored it here, 303. It may go 305, but then it's going to cut back down. It's going to drop back down to 300, give or take. That's what it does, man. Well, guys, let's see what this Meat Slinger looks like after running from 5:30 yesterday afternoon. Literally, I fired it up around 5:30 yesterday afternoon, and then about 9:45, I filled the hopper up to the top, an inch or two below the top, actually. It wasn't completely topped off. And it's been running since 9:45 last night at 225. I haven't touched it, and I'm just coming out here right now to see what it's like, and it is about 7:30 right now, 7:30 a.m. the next day. So it was set at 225 last night, and it's running 225 at 7:30 a.m. the next day. And let's see how many pellets we've used since 9:45 last night. And it looks to be, well, you can see the level there. I had it up there, around there actually, about even with the Pellet Pro letters. And it is now there. So I've gone about 4 inches down the fire pot, about 4 inches down the hopper in that time from 9:45 to 7:30 a.m. 9:45 p.m. to 7:30 a.m. and I haven't even used you could say half a hopper, so let's just call it half a hopper. Not even that, actually, because it was only right here. It was only right there, man, and I'm here now. Running all that time, almost 12 hours, not even half a hopper, man, at 225. Love it. All right, guys, this is Rich Robin here, and I'm at my house on a Friday morning. This Gator pit has been running since 5:30 p.m. yesterday. Yes, you heard me, 5:30 p.m. yesterday. And I fired it up. I got it up to 300 degrees, testing it, and about 10 o'clock or 9:45 last night, I bumped it down to 225. Again, at 9:45 last night, I bumped it down to 245 or 225, and it is now 9 o'clock the next day, and look at the temperature. It's 225. So this thing's been running again from 5:30 yesterday, 5:30 p.m. yesterday, Thursday, until 9 a.m. today, Friday. And last night, before I hit the sack, I was like, well, let me fill the hopper up, and I'm gonna let this thing run all night at 225. So here is the hopper. So from 9:45 p.m. yesterday until 9 a.m. today, you're looking at maybe, yeah, right at half a hopper used. Yeah, there's your level. So I filled it up last night to about right there, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches below the top. So in basically 12 hours, it's used half a hopper. This is the Meat Slinger 36. And again, I had it set at 9:30 last night. I set it at 225, and it's, you saw the video, the picture earlier, it was 225, it's 223. It's gonna get back up to 225 again. It's just gonna keep hovering around that 225 that I set it at. This is the Meat Slinger 36 hybrid. It does have the offset firebox. So I've got a stick burner and a pellet cooker, all in one Gator Pit Meat Slinger. And this one is my new one at my house. And it will be used for my personal use and catering as well. But mainly for catering because it's a large cooker. But I wanted the ability to cook either way I wanted, or both. Start off with my stick, 3-4 hours into the cook, or before I want to hit the sack for the night, kick on my hopper and just let that thing run through the whole night while I sleep. And or let it run all day. You know what you're doing when you're cooking, right? This is a catering monster, man. It is. It is a dream pit, so to speak, for those of you that work your butts off all night cooking, feeding the firebox. Those days are over with this Gator Pit, man. As many of y'all know, follow me, I have a Meat Slinger 24 in my actual concession trailer that I've been catering with for going on 4 years now, and love it, which is another reason why I designed this for my house. Again, this is, I'll cook 1 brisket on it, or I'll put 25 briskets in it. It doesn't matter to me. It's going to use the same amount of wood and or pretty much the same amount of pellets, no matter what I'm cooking. And again, this thing's been running since 5:30 yesterday, Thursday. Since 5:30 yesterday, and it's now 9 o'clock today, 9 o'clock a.m. Friday. And I haven't cleaned the fire pot out. I haven't done anything to it, y'all. Other than 9:30 last night, fill the hopper up and set it at 225 and let it run all night. And pretty much half this morning. It's awesome, guys. It is awesome. Loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Can't wait for my first cook, which I may do Saturday. I'm actually going to be at Sam Houston State University visiting my daughter, and I may put a brisket on this thing tomorrow morning and set it on the hopper and let it run while I'm gone the whole day. And I'll expect to be back probably around 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And I'll have brisket ready, man. And I would have been at Sam Houston State up in Huntsville all day and never touched this pit while it cooks my brisket. Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas, Meat Slinger 36 hybrid. You'll see this at my website, gatorpit.net. Call me if you want to get one for your business, restaurant, food truck, concession trailer. This is it, man. We got them in different sizes, the Meat Slinger 24 to Meat Slinger 36. This is the larger. It's the largest one that we make. It's not, we can't make them bigger, but most people are pretty good with running about 25 briskets in here. See ya.